deal?
Okay, so I was honestly debating on going a little bit darker than this, but for my Halloween costume, I'm being like a Barbie from one of the old Barbie movies.
Oh, shoot.
So I want to go a little bit lighter.
Okay.
And I think just one row
Okay.
and keep this length. Honestly, maybe cut my ends
Okay.
because I want it to be healthier.
Cute.
And I'm thinking like maybe next time just no extensions, like kind of work up to that.
I love that
And
for
then
you.
I've been loving like a side part, so
Yes.
I was thinking maybe like side bang,
Okay.
and then I don't know, lots of layers for
Love
volume.
that.
But
Do you like the length of your bangs right now?
yeah, honestly, maybe a little bit shorter so
Okay.
that they grow out.
Exactly. Do you want your extensions to be as long as your hair or longer, or do you want them to just be to there?
Just be there. And then I do have a picture
Okay.
for like how long I want.
It's still like a creamy blonde.
Yeah, like
That's so cute. Wow.
yeah. And like I
that.
love the layers in that too,
Yeah,
just a
that's
little bit
so
longer.
fun.
Yeah.
Okay, Quinn. I love it. First of all, do you love this length?
Yes. I
Oh
love
my
it.
gosh, she's changing it up.
I
on
know.
us. Look at her nose. Wow, Queen. Do you think that's too long?
I kind of like it. I don't know.
I feel like why not?
Yeah.
As long as it's still rooted, right?
Yeah.
I feel like go for it.
Hi, I'm at Habit Salon and I'm going a little bit lighter today. I'm so excited.
Lydia, do you have your whole costume ready?
Yeah. I'm being Swan Lake Barbie. Have you seen that one?
Yes.
So good.
God, that's gonna be so good.
I love it.
Do I like full out?
Yeah, I made the costume. So
You made it?
yeah.
What? You know
No,
how to sew?
not yet.
Are you doing like the fluffy?
Yes.
So good.
And then I bought like the crown on Etsy because I was gonna make her own home.
I was just telling all my friends it would be so cute if like we did a full group costume, like everyone was a different
I
Barbie.
agree.
Wouldn't
Yeah.
that be so fun?
I just want to be all of them.
No, actually.
Now we're toning and we're doing a warmer blonde.
Yeah, this. It's like so blue. Wow.
That is.
Wow, this color is so cute.
Yeah.
I love the curls too.
The side part is so good.
Why is she look so cute this side?
Right? Like, okay.
One row is just such a vibe.
It really
I
is.
like it. It's so white.
Do you think I should cut a little more layers right here? I agree. Wow, this is gonna be. Do you think I should leave these like they are? Or a little shorter.
Cut them a little because
Okay.
they're gonna grow fast.
So good.
It's gonna make everyone want to side part.
Yes. We just finished. This is my hair. We went a little bit brighter, cut off some length and added some layers. I love it so much. Chrissy is my fairy godmother.